Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 2 of English Reader, Nature Chaos. We have already done the introductory part of the chapter. So today we are going to take story The God of River. Once there was a small village called Dhampur. Dhampur is the name of the village. Kishan, a farmer, lived with his family in a small cottage in the village. So a farmer named Kishan was living in this village in a small cottage. Cottage होता है झोपड़ी में. किशन नाम का एक किसान इस गांव में रह रहा था. He had a son Ramesh. Kishan had a son whose name was Ramesh, and Ramesh was 11 years old. Kishan went to the fields for farming and Ramesh went to a school near the village. Kishan used to go to the fields for farming. Farming होता है खेती के लिए. और Ramesh used to go to school which was near the village. Whenever Ramesh mother cleaned the house, जब रमेश की मदर घर साफ करती, she told him, him means रमेश को क्या कहती, to collect the garbage and throw it away. Garbage होता है घर साफ करके जो कूड़ा निकलता है उसको वो इकट्ठा करे और उसको फेंक दे. He collected the garbage and threw it into the river that flowed near the cottage. And what did Ramesh do? Ramesh collected the garbage and threw, second form of throw, फेंक देता था वो, into the river and the river flowed मतलब बहना. उनकी कॉटेज के पास से जो नदी बहती थी उसमें वो डेली जो घर से कूड़ा निकलता था उसको वो फेंक देता था. This was his daily routine. It was his daily routine. Many other families also did the same. Other families were doing the same. They also collected the garbage and they all were throwing the garbage into the river. The place where people threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly, but nobody bothered. अब इतना कूड़ा डालने के बाद वो प्लेस था, it has become very dirty and a foul smell used to come from there, but nobody bothered. Bother का मतलब होता है केयर, कोई परवाह नहीं करता था इस चीज़ की. One day when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, और एक दिन ऐसा ही हुआ कि जैसे ही वो कूड़ा उसमें फेंकने के लिए जाता है, he saw someone wearing a golden crown come out of the river. He saw a person, and this person was he saw someone who was wearing golden crown. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot, and this person was he was very tall and fair, beautiful, and was holding a golden pot. हाथ में golden pot उसने लिया हुआ था. It was full of water in his hand, but he looked very sad. But he was very sad. Ramesh felt scared. Scared होता है डर गया वो देख के. But he soon took courage and asked the person who he was. पूछा कि कौन है वो and why he has so sad. And why he was so sad and why he was looking so sad. The person said slowly, I am the god of water. And how did the person introduce himself? He said that he was the god of water. वो पानी का देवता है. I have been living in this river for many years. I am sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. अब वो क्या रीज़न बताता है अपने दुख का कि इतने सालों से गार्बेज मेरे अंदर फेंका जा रहा है तो इस वजह से मैं दुखी हूँ. This river has now become very dirty. What do you mean by polluting water? Asked Ramesh. Ramesh did not understand. He said that what do you mean by polluting water? कैसे ऐसे क्या पानी खराब होता है? रमेश को बात समझ में नहीं आई. The water god said, when you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. पानी इसमें गंदा हो जाता है कूड़ा फेंकने से. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स हैं, जो पानी में रहने वाले जीव हैं जैसे फिश हैं, उनके लिए काफ़ी हार्मफुल है. It has germs too. If someone drinks the water, he or she may catch disease like typhoid और jaundice. ये बीमारियाँ हो सकती हैं अगर वो इस पानी को कोई पीता है. रमेश was surprised to know all this. He felt guilty. उसको बड़ा दुख हुआ, उसने सॉरी फील की for polluting the river so much. He took his garbage and went back to his home. वो घर वापस चला गया. Next day, Ramesh went to his school and with his friends and his teacher. अब अगले दिन क्या हुआ? रमेश went to his school and shared his experience. अपनी पूरी जो बात थी, ये जो गॉड ऑफ रिवर था उसके बारे में अपने फ्रेंड्स को, टीचर को बताया. द टीचर गेव हिम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट वाटर पोल्यूशन के बारे में टीचर ने और इन्फॉर्मेशन दी. द टीचर सेड वी थ्रो डोमेस्टिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, फ्लावर्स एंड सो मैनी अदर्स थिंग इनटू द रिवर. टीचर ने कहा कि हम घरों का जो कूड़ा है वो इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं बड़ी बड़ी, उनका जो वेस्ट होता है और दूसरी चीज़ें पानी में डालते हैं. दीज थिंग्स पॉल्यूट आर रिवर्स एंड मेक देम डर्टी. वे शुड आई थ्रो द गार्बेज देन, आस्क्ड रमेश. पूछता है फिर कहाँ डालें. द टीचर रिप्लाइड, डिग अ पिट आउटसाइड योर हाउस एंड पुट ऑल द गार्बेज इनटू दैट पिट. सारा एक जो पिट है, एक खड्डा है, उसको खोदो और सारा उसमें गार्बेज है वो उसमें डाल दो और उसको कवर इट विद लीव्स. लीव इट फॉर अ फ्यू डेज, और कुछ दिनों के लिए छोड़ दो. द गार्बेज विल टर्न इनटू मैन्योर. योर फादर कैन यूज द मैन्योर इन हिज फील्ड. मैन्योर क्या होता है? खाद को बोलते हैं. वो जो है वो फील्ड्स में डाल सकते हैं जिससे जो फसलें होती हैं वो अच्छी होती हैं. रमेश वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एट द आइडिया. हिज फादर डग अ पिट द सेम डे and they started throwing the garbage into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. अब से क्या किया, सारा का सारा गार्बेज उस पिट में डालते थे और रिवर में नहीं डालते थे. थैंक यू.